Hey girlies, it's Augusta. If you want perfect and easy eyeliner done in under 1 minute, then this tutorial is definitely for you. Today I'm going to be showing you probably the best makeup hack you will probably ever hear. I'm not exaggerating when I say that. All you're going to need is a liquid eyeliner or either a angled brush and some eyeshadow. I got this angled brush from Amazon. I'll link it below for you, but you don't need one if you already have an eyeliner. It's completely up to you and the results are almost identical. I'm going to show you how to do winged eyeliner with the pen first on one eye, and then I'll show you the other method using this eyeshadow afterwards. You can try them both and then see which one you find easier or suits you best, but first you're going to need any tape that you have lying around. I prefer and recommend using masking tape since this can be more gentle on your skin, and a skin safe tape is obviously preferred, but honestly I'm just using this random pink tape that I got. Stick it on your arm first so that it loses a little bit of the stickiness before applying it to the corner of your eye and the end of the eyebrow. If you line it up with the corner of the eye and the end of the eyebrow, then both will be at the same angle on each eye. Step number 2 is eyeshadow. You don't have to do a super complicated eyeshadow look, but you can just do this simple tutorial that I'm doing here. Applying a dark brown matte shade in the crease and then a shimmery shade on the inner corner and lid of the eye. It takes literally 1 minute. Step 3 is obviously the eyeliner, the main event here. I'm going in with this Rare Beauty liquid eyeliner pen, which I highly recommend for beginners. I recommend starting with the wing and then dragging it down onto the eyelid, as this is a good way to get a super seamless transition from the wing onto the lid of the eye. The trick with eyeliner is to make it as thin and small as possible and then build it up gradually. You don't want to just go in with a super long intense wing in case you overdo it and then have to smudge it off. For the other method, here I'm taking my angled brush. You can dampen it if you want with water or a setting spray and dip it in the eyeshadow color that you want for the eyeliner. I'm just using this dark brown black shade from my Valentino Beauty When in Paris mini palette, but you can use any color, and I love doing it in blue to match my outfit and my eyes if I'm wearing a certain color. Once again, start drawing the wing and then gradually drag it down onto the eyelid, bringing it as far towards the center as you would like the wing and eyeliner to look. The thicker and longer you draw the wing and line, obviously the more intense the eyeliner looks. And you can see the slight difference between the two methods. This is my favorite part. I love the reveal. It's so satisfying when you peel off the tape and it reveals such a straight, crisp eyeliner. That's literally perfect, even if you were smudging the eyeliner all over the tape. Then you can go ahead and do the rest of your makeup like I've done here, and I'm so obsessed with how clean this look has turned out. Here is the finished eyeliner results. You can see they're slightly different, but they basically look the same. You wouldn't even really know the difference. I'm obsessed with how clean the lines are, and it makes it so easy. You also don't get fallout on your base that you've already done because you do the eye makeup first. Please let me know if you try out this hack, because it's honestly so life-saving and so quick and time-saving as well. Please also comment below what videos you'd like to see from me next, and thank you so much for watching and for all your support. I really appreciate it, you guys. Bye.